Okay, let's take a look at how to freeze the top row and or the left column of your spreadsheet. This is great for saving a lot of time and hassle. And if you're going to be sending a spreadsheet to a coworker or sharing a spreadsheet, it's good to enable this to make it easier for them to work on it as well. Okay. Freeze panes is great when you have headers and a column down the left that you want to always be able to see. So for instance, these sales rep names over here, as I scroll to the right, they disappear. So when I'm getting into data that's over this way, I lose the view of that. And that's a problem. And the same thing happens with a range when you scroll down, then those wouldn't stick to the top. So the way to fix that is to go to freeze panes. So we say freeze panes, and we can freeze all of them based on where we're selected. We can freeze just the top row or just the first column. So first let me show you how to freeze the top row. Just click on that. You don't see any difference yet, but as I scroll down, see how they're locked to the top, which makes it really handy when you have huge long lists of data, because as you scroll down, you're not going to lose track of which month you're looking at. To get rid of that, you just go in and say unfreeze panes, and now it's back to normal. Okay. Now if I want to freeze just the sales rep names, I go to freeze panes and I say freeze first column. You can see that little line appeared. Now as I scroll to the right, those stay right there. So as I'm looking at the month of August, I can go down and say 725. Okay, that's Jane. Okay, so that's really helpful. Let's go and select. Actually, let me show you a different example real quick. This one. Let's go ahead and put our cursor right here, and we're going to do freeze panes, and we're going to say freeze all panes. Actually, sorry, let's put our cursor right here. We're going to freeze all panes with the top button. That freezes it right where your cursor is. See the line going this way and the line going this way? And this is a small example, so it doesn't really matter, but you'll see as we scroll, see how the materials list stays locked and the rest of the range scrolls. When we go to the side, same with the top, it's going to stay locked right where this line is. So our headers stay locked, and as we scroll, it just rolls right up into it. Okay? And then again, to get rid of that, you just say unfreeze panes, and it will behave normally as you scroll. Okay? Okay, so that's how you use freeze panes to lock the top row or the left column of your spreadsheet to make it easier to keep track of what you're looking at when you're way down your spreadsheet.